I will be covering the issue of single-use plastics in the United Kingdom. The UK has a very long history with plastic, dating back to 1933 when the first plastic bag was invented on accident in a chemistry plant. Since then, these plastics have made their way into our ocean systems and accumulating in large areas like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This large area has around 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic and weighs about 100,000 tons. These large plastic litters can go on our beaches and be a big eyesore. These plastics also seep into the soil and can have a negative effect on soil quality. These large plastic items can also find their way onto animals, as we could see here. And although it might look cool on these animals, it actually has a very negative downside. In reality, these animals are eating these plastic items, and thousands of animals die each year because of it. Microplastics suck. They end up in our water systems when bigger plastic items break down. These broken down plastics are eaten up by the small fish, which are then eaten by the bigger fish, which then end up on our plates when we eat. Does this plastic meal look very good? I don't think so. What's been tried before? We've tried bans before to try to get rid of these items, but they often find much pushback from the general community. Alternative options have also been tried, but these items can be very expensive and also aren't the most quality. We've all used paper straws and seen them fall apart on us halfway through a drink. So what's my solution? My solution is one small change at a time, because one small change can influence many people, and it only takes one. Reusable alternative options can be put in stores, which alone may only lead to 1% of customers making the switch to the reusable items, but when paired with taxes can be very effective. Taxes can be used to incentivize the use of reusable alternatives. It's been found that 83% of customers are more willing to make a switch to reusable alternatives, which is equivalent to 6 billion plastic bags being used less each year. What are the limitations of this? As I touched on earlier, reusable alternatives can be very expensive as compared to their single-use counterparts. Politics can be a large limiting factor where taxes are involved, because politics can make things very messy and delay any real change. It's up to us to make a change for the better. Together, we can make a big impact on single-use plastic items.